Hi again, welcome to my alcove. This is Chef Karan, and today the recipe that I'll be sharing with you is a chunky tomato salsa. I had actually made this video a couple of months back, but due to some technical restraints I was not able to upload it. So here it goes, I am uploading it now. Hope you like it, and let's go ahead and start. So we'll start with ripe tomatoes. You have to remove the core like this and then slit the tomato from the top in a crisscross fashion. I'll show you once more. So with the tip of your knife, just remove the core of the tomato and then go back to the top and just make a slit. We need to blanch these tomatoes now to remove the skin, and for that we'll take water in a deep pan and bring it to a boil, add the tomatoes in, and simultaneously prepare a ice cold bowl of water. Now keep the tomatoes in for around 30 seconds before removing it and then shocking it in the ice cold water. This changes the temperature of the tomato rapidly and aids in removing the skin. Now as you can see, we will be easily able to remove the skin from the tomatoes. So just peel it off like this and your tomato will be ready to use. Now once your tomatoes are done, we need to remove the pulp and the seeds out, and for that we'll just cut them up and then squeeze them. So just give it a little squeeze like you squeeze lemons, and with your fingers help to take out the seed from the tomatoes. So just squeeze it up, remove these seeds and the pulp out of the tomatoes. Once all the tomatoes are done, we're ready to cut these up. You can cut these into finely chopped dices, or you can have bigger chunks like we're cutting right now. So we cut the tomatoes into strips and then go back and cut them into dices like this. The size of the dices depends on how thick a salsa you would want to have. Once all your dices are done, you just mix in some diced bell peppers into it before moving on. Now heat some olive oil in a pan and add finely chopped garlic to it. We need to saute this on medium heat and cook the mixture to be added to the chunky tomato salsa that we are making. So very lightly saute it and add freshly chopped green chilies to it. Saute this for about half a minute, and then we'll start with adding our spices. So red chili powder, some paprika powder. Give this a mix and add some tomato juice to it. You can also add a little bit of tomato paste or tomato puree, but slightly thinned down. Now we'll add the pulp that we had removed from the tomatoes before. So in a strainer, put the seed and the pulp, and then with the help of a spoon just press it down so that we can extract the maximum amount of pulp that we can from this mixture. So just strain it and then mix everything together and bring it to a boil. We need to cook this thoroughly and then add it to our mixture. Once it is boiled and cooked, you can see that there's some oil that comes on top of the mixture, Once you have achieved this, transfer this into the salsa and just mix it together properly. The detailed recipe for this I'll be sharing in my blog, the link to which you can find in the description down below. Now it's time to season this. So to start, we'll add some salt. This will be followed by some freshly ground black pepper, a little bit of Worcestershire, just a couple of spoons, then a few dashes of Tabasco. We'll follow this with the freshly squeezed lemon juice, a pinch of chili flakes. Depends on the heat that you want in the salsa, you can add more, some jeera powder, and just mix it all together. Your salsa is basically done. You can add some fresh coriander to this and then just give it a taste.
Right, so we'll just take some tomatoes, a couple of peppers, and just give it a taste. Nice and zesty. People who want some zing would love it. Great. So another recipe down. You give this a try. Put down in the comments what you like about this, what you would want to change, and subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up. See you later with a new recipe. Have a good day. Take care.